Web browsers have a function for managing bookmarks or favorites. Some web tools can also be used to effectively manage bookmarks or RSS feeds. This can be extremely useful when you are studying SageUp. To illustrate some examples, we will use Internet Explorer. Even though the steps may differ slightly with other browsers, they will be more or less the same. To begin with, what is a bookmark? A bookmark is the address of a page or website that you have saved in your browser in order to access it more quickly later on without having to type in the address. Adding bookmarks is very simple. Just open the browser and enter the web address you want in the address bar. Then, click on the View Favorites, Feeds, and History star, which is usually at the top right corner of the window, and click on the Add to Favorites button. We recommend that you store new bookmarks in folders to make them easier to find. In general, the folders are identified by theme. If an appropriate folder already exists, select it, and then click the Add button. If the folder does not exist, you can create it by clicking on the New Folder button. Enter the name of the folder, specify its location, click on the Create button, and then click Add. As a student, you will appreciate having your favorites well organized in order to find them quickly and easily. To organize your favorites, click again on the View Favorites, Feeds, and History star. Click on the arrow next to the Add to Favorites button, and then click on Organize Favorites. This will let you create new folders, move favorites, rename favorites to create a more explicit name, delete favorites. There are also web tools for managing bookmarks. A quick search will show you the existing programs. There are other functions for monitoring sites and subjects of particular interest to you. By subscribing to RSS feeds, you can be regularly and automatically informed about new articles or web pages on topics of your choice. The concept of RSS feeds is not as complicated as it seems. What is an RSS feed? It is a file with automatically generated content, usually based on website updates. RSS feeds often correspond to article or page titles on websites or blogs. By subscribing to RSS feeds, you no longer have to go looking for information. It comes to you. For example, to add a feed, you must first display the browser command bar. Using the right mouse button, access the contextual menu of the favorite star to display the bar. Then access a website and click on RSS or on the orange icon. Then click Subscribe to this feed in the Favorites section or Bookmark section, depending on which browser you are using, to add the feed to the appropriate list. To subscribe to the feed, just verify the name, specify the location, create a new folder if necessary, and click on Subscribe. Like favorites, feeds can be organized using the View Favorites, Feed, and History star. To organize your feeds, click on the Feeds tab. There are also web tools for managing RSS feeds. A simple search will show you the existing programs. When you use one of these programs, new content is displayed in your account as soon as it is posted, so you can avoid having to search the web for the latest information. Some of these programs are free and some aren't. Look around to find the one that best suits your needs. There you have it. Now you are familiar with the functions and web tools that can be used to manage bookmarks and RSS feeds. It's up to you to discover all the possibilities for improving and optimizing your web browsing experience.